Hi guys, this is Asma from the Crochet Hub, and in today's video we are going to make these adorable coasters. By the way, these are my own patterns, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do and turn on the notifications so you get a reminder every time I post. But let me tell you that these pink and white coasters are slightly different from what we're making today. And I'm gonna show you the written pattern here. You guys can pause and take the screenshot for that. If you follow anything from my channel, you can show me in the comments or you can follow and tag me on Instagram. You will find the link in bio. So let's get into it. So I'm starting with the magic circle. You guys can follow any tutorial that you like. I personally prefer this method. So you guys can follow me along or you can follow your any personal tutorial for this. I am not adding any cuts here, and also you can see that I am working really slow, but you guys can also slow down the speed of the video. So for the first round we are going to make 10 single crochets into the magic circle. If you want a bigger size, you can replace the single crochets with double crochets. Like you have to make 10 double crochets into the magic circle and follow the rest of the pattern. This tutorial is completely beginner friendly, and if you're not a beginner then you can skip this part easily. You can follow the written instructions on the video tutorial, but if you are a beginner then it's better to follow each and every step. For round 2, we are gonna chain 1 and make increases. For the increase, make a single crochet and then make 2 single crochets into the same stitch. This is an increase. And repeat this pattern, make 1 single crochet and 2 in the next, and continue repeating this pattern till the end of the row. Now on to round 3, we are going to chain 2 and make small puff stitches into each stitch. This way you will have 16 puff stitches at the end of the round. If you guys want a bigger size, again you can replace the previous row of increases with double crochets. After making the puff, you have to chain 2 and make another puff into the next stitch and continue repeating this pattern. For the fourth and final row, chain 1, make 5 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Remember, do not put any double crochets into single stitches. Use only the chain 2 space between puff stitches. So after I have done my 5 double crochets, I will slip stitch into again the next chain 2 space, but not any other stitch. Here, after making the slip stitch, you can cut the yarn and hide the tails. And that's it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. So here we have our adorable mini coasters. You can enjoy the pattern for free, and thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and support me. Thank you. Bye bye.